fresh, savory, comforting. Hey guys, welcome to Amy's Kitchen. This is Amy and that's Richie. Richie. Oh, we are here to make some friends and share cooking skills. Yay! Today, let's cook fried spinach with eggs.
Its Chinese name is 菠菜炒鸡蛋.
It's fresh, savory, comforting, and super easy to make.
Look, spinach 菠菜, 3 eggs 3个鸡蛋,
and garlic 大蒜 are prepared.
Cooking oil 油, soy sauce 生抽, salt 盐, MSG 味精 will be needed. Now let's get started.
First, crack the eggs into a bowl. Stir the eggs and set aside.
Heat to the pot and add oil.
Add eggs, 鸡蛋, stir fry the eggs until set. Remove the eggs to a bowl.
Heat to the pot and add oil.
Add garlic, 大蒜. Stir fry the garlic until fragrant. Add spinach, 菠菜. Stir fry the spinach until get soft. Add eggs and mix well. Add a spoonful of soy sauce, 生抽, a little salt, 盐, a little MSG, 味精. Stir fry them together.
It's done. Wow, it looks great. Please try it.
It's lunchtime. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.